Hi everyone, welcome to the Smash That Small Paper Pad collaboration 2021. I'm the host of this particular collaboration where each month a group of us that will all be linked down below select a small paper pad, small being anything smaller than a 12 by 12. It could be 8.5 by 11 or A4 or 5 by 7, you know, like the mat stacks, or 6 by 6 or 8 by 8, anything like that. Anything smaller than a 12 by 12 inch paper pad, which I also have a lot of. And I'm digging into my old non-Stampin' Up stash, trying to use things up. That's what this collab is about for me. So, for those of you that follow me for Stampin' Up, this is not this. But I had trouble picking a pad this month because I smashed the one last month. So let me show you the options I pulled out. Well, the first ones I came across in my stash were this one, Feeling Naughty, N-A-U-T-I. And then this one, which is Beautiful Sea Glass. And this one is double-sided. I think this one is not. Yeah, this is single-sided, double-sided with 24 sheets, and just beachy. And then I had this one, which is a partial, which was Americana. And I almost picked that because I thought, well, July 4th is coming up, and also then we have Labor Day. I don't know, because I've been doing in the summer collab, and I've already been doing some blue and red stuff. I kind of wasn't, I don't know, I just wasn't in the mood to do sea, nautical, whatever theme. So I dug just a little further in my bin, one of my two bins of small paper pads, and I came across this. It's not really a pad, but it's a pack of 24 6x6 designer sheets from Polka Doodles, and it's called Daisy Daisy. I don't have any idea where I got this. I'm pretty sure online somewhere. And it was a full pack. I did cut into it. I think I have 15, might as well say 16, because these are half sheets. But this paper is so pretty. There's only 6 designs, and then there was 4 sheets of each to start with. So this is one of them. I only have 2 of them left. And this is one I have 2.5 left. And this is one I have 3 left, this stripe. And it sort of has like a vintagey, like there's some faint writing on here kind of thing. And then there's this one, the yellow with the butterflies. And there's 2 of those left, and a half of one right there. And then there's this pretty one too, and there's 3 of those left, and then 2 of these polka dot ones. So that's what's left after I cut into them today. And what I did is I went searching online because I am plumb out of ideas for 6x6 paper pads. I feel like I'm repeating myself with cards, with everything else I've done so far. Anyway, I found 2 videos. One was a May Made It. It was a Graham's Bragg book video from 2019, and I'll try and link that down below. And the other one, I think, was from somebody, Strawberry Z something. It was also a 2019, and they were very similar in what they did, except that I went more with May May's, but I did the binding on it like the other one did. And this is it. It's a little book. I'm calling it my gratitude / inspiration book. And the nice thing about these is it uses up full sheets of paper plus some partials. And what May did is made pockets in each of the inner pages, which is nice because this is single-sided paper, so there's plenty of room to write on the backs of these if you want to. Now I don't print pictures. I don't have a photo printer, so I don't know. I'm not really good at journaling or scrapbooking. I don't scrapbook, so but I thought I can make little comments, like carry it in every time I think of something while I'm in the car, or well, that I'm rarely in the car anymore, but you know what I mean, that I'm out and about. I can jot it down in here, carry this in my purse because it's not that heavy. So I went through my stickers first, and I found these Jolie's Boutique, which looks like I got them from Jen Evers on one of her craft sales. And yeah, so I used 2 of them on the cover. And then this sticker is out of my planner stickers. I have, oh my gosh, guys, I don't know. I haven't been doing planning lately, but you know, this is only a small amount, about maybe a third of my sticker books, but I did use some out of this Maggie Holmes book, out of this All Glam Planner sticker book, which I think I got at Walmart. I don't remember. Or maybe somebody gave it to me. 1 or 2 out of this Gold Star Quotes, 1 or 2 out of Colorful Boxes, and I think the rest of these I didn't use. Yeah, I didn't use the rest of these. So that's it. And then I just put some stickers in, and I also used some of this Offray. It's actually a stretchy ribbon, but I put tear and tape, actually by Stampin' Up, down, and it stuck really well onto that. In fact, I put the binding down with the tear and tape, but everything else I used glue, and art glitter glue is what I use. So what you do basically, like, this is 1 sheet of paper, folded in half, rounded the corners. I have a little EK Success 1-inch corner rounder, and then you glue them just at the bottom and the sides and not the top, and that of course creates a little pocket. So there is Every Day is a Gift quote that I stuck in here. Believe in Miracles. This is just a little black sticker that I can write something on in there, and I realized later I put this particular sheet in upside down because that butterfly is upside down. And there's one under here that was too. Oopsie. I tried so hard to get it right and I messed up. This one just says Positive Mind, Vibes, Life. Seize the Day, Enjoy Every Moment. This one says Outdream Yourself. It's really hard to see, but it's because it's a clear sticker. Now this one says, excuse me, let us lay in the sun and count every beautiful thing we can see. So I thought we should list what beautiful things we see, right? And then just another spot for a note. You could actually write on this too if you had like a marker pen. This one doesn't have anything on it. And this just says the best, a butterfly sticker, and another little thing. And this says notes, and this is lines, so we could write on it, right? And that is it. And then this one says wonderful, dreaming, thanks, and just another little spot. So that is my mini gratitude, thankful for type little booklet I can stick in my purse and carry around with me, and when I think of things, jot them down in here. I'm now the one girl, oh, it wasn't Strawberries, it was Jojo's, some Jojo, but I don't know, I can't remember her name, but it began with Jojo something or other. I will find it. It was also from 2019. She actually said you could do these for craft fairs. I don't have luck selling this kind of stuff at craft fairs. People don't want to write stuff anymore, it seems like, in this area. Anyway, she had a long, skinny, clear bag, stuck it in there, and took a little mini pen and put it in there, and then put a bag topper on, and said you could sell them at craft fairs. But hers did not have pockets, and it was probably about as many pages, but with no pockets in it, and not really decorated. And I thought, well, what are people going to do with that, because there's nowhere to write. So I wouldn't be able to sell it without leaving spaces for people to write. And on mine, you can either write on some of these pages or put pictures, and these could be photo mats, and you have room to write, right? Or it can just be to write on. So I have, I think, 5, 1, 2, 3, Yeah, I have 5 inserts that can be pulled out and written on to take notes, or to put pictures on the front and then jot down what they are, or the pictures can go in here and the notes can go on here. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm just going to use it to jot down little positive things, gratitude and thankfulness journal. So I hope you like that. That's all I made this month for this particular thing. So clearly I did not smash it. Honestly, I just picked out in one day in advance which one I was going to use. I almost hate to finish this. I'm starting to have trouble with this collab because I want to use some of the papers but not all of them up all at once. But on the other hand, I have 2 bins full of 6x6 paper pads and or 8x8 or whatever, smaller paper pads, not counting 8.5 by 11 even. So I guess I need to stick with it and do the best I can. But I picked this one. I think I have one more Polka Doodles pack, but I didn't even look at it. So I'm going to use this one up. Let's see what I come up with next month. It doesn't really stay. I might have put the binding on too tight or something. It doesn't seem like it. I mean, it opens okay, but it doesn't really close all the way now. So anyway, that's my journal. I'm sticking with it. Hope you liked. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would really like to get this channel to 5,000, but it's taking me a long time to do that. So help me get there, and I'll do some kind of giveaway at 5,000. And you should watch anyway, because occasionally I have some hidden giveaways, and I'm seriously considering on the 20th of next month on my all summer long giving one of these at least away. Not this one because it's already partially used, but I haven't decided. I think I'm going to use this one for next month's collab, so probably this one is what I'll give away. Just Beachy. Yeah, I don't know, I really like that one too. I'm not sure, guys, but you know, I'll probably give something away maybe earlier than the 20th, so you gotta watch and see, because it's usually at the end or announced in the middle and shown at the end of whatever video it is. They're hidden. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Have a great day. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.